Hi. Welcome back. In our last class, we learnt distributed computing architecture. In today's class, we will be learning Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. The Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP, is a network management protocol used to automate the process of configuring devices on IP networks. With DHCP, devices, called clients, can receive IP addresses and other related network configuration information from a DHCP server without the need for manual configuration. What is a protocol? Protocols are a set of rules or fundamental rules. It is also a set of rules, conventions, and standards that govern communication, interaction, or data exchange between devices, systems or entities. Examples of protocols: TCP/IP, FTP, HTTP. What is a DHCP network? DHCP is a network management protocol that is used to dynamically assign IP addresses to any devices or nodes within a network. How does DHCP network works? The DHCP works with wireless fidelity or an Ethernet. 1. Client sends DHCP discover, asking for IP. 2. Server replies with DHCP offer, offers an IP. 3. Client sends DHCP request, accepts the offer. 4. Server sends DHCP ACK, confirms the IP. Ways in which DHCP assigns IP addresses. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, assigns IP addresses to devices on a network in the following main ways. 1. Dynamic allocation. The most common method. The DHCP server assigns an available IP address from a pool, scope, for a limited time, lease. When the lease expires, the address can be reused for another device. 2. Automatic allocation. The DHCP server assigns a permanent IP address to a device the first time it connects, and always gives that same IP to the device in the future. This is like a sticky, dynamic assignment. 3. Manual allocation, static DHCP or DHCP reservation. The network admin assigns a specific IP address to a device's MAC address in the DHCP server settings. The device will always get the same IP when it connects. Component of DHCP. Server. Client. Relay agent. DHCP handshake and how it works. The client's nodes will send out a message called discover message. The DHCP resends out and offers to the client will respond to the request on an IP address. 1. Client requesting IP, this is the DHCP discover step. 2. Client has existing IP, it tries to renew the lease by contacting the DHCP server. This happens during the renewal phase before the lease expires. 3. Lease is active, the client uses the IP during the lease period. This is post-DHCP ACK. 4. Lease expired, the client must contact the DHCP server again, starting the process over if needed. 5. Client moves to another network, the old IP becomes invalid, and the client needs a new DHCP process on the new network. Uses of DHCP. It is used to assign IP addresses and other configurations to a node within a network. It is easier when using a DHCP to add more devices than when you have to assign it manually. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.